Hey everybody, I got some fall clothes on and I'm going to do some Rolling Stones. And this is a song called Dead Flowers. The verse is pretty simple. It's a good strumming song. D, A, G. When you're sitting there in your silk upholstered chair, talking to some rich folks that you know, I hope you won't see me in my ragged company. You know I could never be alone. Chorus is A-D. Down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. Send me dead flowers every morning. Goes the G to D. Send me the dead flowers by the mail. G to D. Red flowers every morning. Goes the G, D, A, G, D, and then it starts over into the next verse. So let's talk about the verse. The verse has kind of a country rhythm. This is the big thing about this song is the verse and the chorus have different feels. So the verse has more of a shuffle feel, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. I think. Listen to the drums, and the kick drum is kind of the shuffle. So it's a simple progression though. D, A, G. Now the chorus is a few chord changes that we need to talk about. And also it has a different feel. It is more of a rock and roll feel. So you're kind of not playing a shuffle there. You're playing just a straight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Or like think Chuck Berry. A, B. That repeats 2 times. This is the chorus. Then it goes G, T, G, D. It repeats 3 times. G, T. So we go a G to D 3 times, and on the 3rd time, flowers to my wedding. It comes back to G. Kind of a quick change. Goes G, G to D, back to G. Wedding. Right after the lyric wedding, you come back to G. And you don't stay there long, and then you go D, A, G, D. And you're into the verse. And not, the transition, you can do it like a D, D, A, G thing. You can just play that with no singing. And then go, just to kind of reset for the verse. When you're sitting back in your rose pink Cadillac. Alright, so chords for the chorus are A to D, you do that twice. And then you go G to D, you do that 3 times. And the third time, you come back to a quick reset on the G, and then the payoff or the resolution is won't D-A on your grave, G. Won't forget to put roses on your grave. At the end of the song, they do the chorus a couple times, and then you can repeat that refrain, for an ending. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. And that is how you can end it. Okay, let's talk about the. There's one verse where there's a guitar solo, and I believe they're playing out of the B minor pentatonic. B minor pentatonic. You have all these nice little country licks in there. Yeah, they're playing some of these steel guitar kind of sounding riffs. So this lick is a little steel guitar lick. You'll hear it in a lot of songs. We're playing it in the B minor pentatonic, and what you do is on the G string, your 3rd string, 9th fret, you bend this, and on the 10th string, on the 10th fret, 2nd string, your B string, you fret that with your pinky. So when you're picking or plucking, you're going to hit both the 3 and the 2 string. And you're trying to get up to this tone on your string bending. So that's a kind of common lick, but if you just, that whole melody is right in the B minor pentatonic. Any kind of country lick will sound good there. And we're playing the B minor because this song is in the key of D. And so B minor pentatonic works because it's the relative minor. So that's a great song to learn. Everybody knows it, and it's fairly easy, in terms of the chords. So you just have fun with that. It's a good campfire song, party song. All right, so enjoy some classic rock, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me grow it. Thanks. Bye-bye.